Hello everyone, my name is Sandra, and yes, I'm here to talk about my master thesis that I made on the assessment of strength and stiffness properties of glued laminated timber made from H structural timber. The aim of the master thesis was to assess the variability of stiffness in lamellas on from reclaimed structural timber and how that variability influences the overall uniformity of the glulam beam. Also to investigate the suitability of three adhesive types for bonding all timber and evaluate bond line integrity under both ambient conditions and elevated temperatures. And finally, to compare the mechanical properties of glulam beams manufactured from reclaimed structural timber with those of beams made from fresh wood. I started with the review of literature, and then I documented all of the test specimens that we had 39 lamellas from Norway spruce that were collected from the demolition of an approximately 1-year-old log house located in Norway. Then I did 4-point non-destructive bending tests on all of the lamellas on 6 points and 2 faces to find the global MOE. And And the design procedure of glulam beams was based on the previously collected global MOEs and cutouts, and the manufacturing of the glulam beams consisted of applying the 3 different types of adhesives, which were PUR, MUF, and PRF. And we applied them with brushes, and the pressing was done with clamp screws. And then non-destructive bending tests was performed on all of the glulam beams to find the global and local MUEs, and also a 4-point destructive bending test was performed on 3 glulam beams that were bonded with all 3 different adhesive types. And finally, a cone heater tests were performed on all 3 adhesive types to evaluate the bond line integrity at elevated temperatures. And the results. This graph illustrates the variability of all the global MUEs collected from the testing of the lamella, and the variability was approximately 35%, and 75% of the results exceeded the stiffness of class C24. These 2 graphs illustrate the individual stiffness variability of 2 lamella. In the top one, the lamella also had cutouts. The stiffness of the lamella was affected by different defects, such as cracks, knots, and also the cutouts. On one face of the lamella, the largest stiffness difference was approximately up to 3 times, and in the transverse direction at one test point, the largest stiffness difference was approximately up to 2.5 times. When planning the glulam beams, it was decided to plan 3 super beams that were made from the lamella with the highest global MUEs, and 5 normal beams, so the super beams are marked with SB. This graph shows global and local MUEs collected from the non-destructive bending test of the glulam beams. All of the super beams, which were manufactured from the stiffest lamellas, had the highest local MUEs, and 6 beams from 8 exceeded the stiffness of strength class GL24H. The 2 beams that didn't were bonded with adhesive PRF, which had much more thicker consistency and was more difficult to apply evenly with brushes. And here is the results of the destructive bending test, which were carried out on 3 glulam beam, all bonded with different adhesives. Unfortunately, none of the beams reached their maximum bending strength, as all of them failed primarily due to shear failure. A slight bending failure was observed in the glulam beam bonded with the PUR adhesive, although it was not a critical factor. The reason for the shear failure in the bond line was the uneven surface of the lamella caused by the cutouts, rounded corners, and the glue-lam manufacturing method. When testing the bond line integrity at elevated temperatures, the best result was achieved by the specimen bonded with BRF, which exhibited only wood failure as shown in the picture. And conclusion, there was a large variability in lamella stiffness, but most results are comparable to those of fresh wood. Under ambient conditions, PUR and PUR and MUF achieved better results, but at elevated temperatures, BRF performed the best. The stiffness properties of glue-lam made from reclaimed timber are comparable to those of glue-lam made from fresh timber. The integrity of glue line proved to be a critical factor for the bending strength of glue-lam made from reclaimed timber, and the results are very positive in terms of recycling old wood and extending its service life. Thank you for listening.